I'm going to explain about contraflow. This comes up a lot in the theory test, so I thought I'd do a short video on this. So first of all, we must understand what contraflow means. In driving terms, contra means going against the flow of traffic. In this image, so with images, remember you were going from bottom to top. So you're on the left-hand side of this image with the two arrows. You're going from bottom to top. You're on a one-way street going up. The bus is going against the flow of traffic. So the questions are normally, where would you find a contraflow system? On a one-way street is the answer. So contra means going against. This image also means going against contraflow, but this is more for a motorway. So on this one, you've got the black bit in the middle. Remember, motorway's got a central reservation in the middle. So that's the black bit, and it's been opened up so you can go on the other side because of roadworks. Notice the speed has dropped from 70 miles an hour down to 30 miles an hour. So that's a contraflow for a motorway. So to give you a better view how this is looking, so if you look at the picture below, you've got the car on the same side as the cars coming down. So you've got the car going up, cars coming down, and the cones are separating them. So the questions are sort of like, what would you expect to find in a contraflow system? Reduce speed limits. What should you do in a contraflow system? Choose your lane nice and early, or keep a bigger gap between you and the car in front. So it's those type of questions and answers they can bring into the theory test. So hopefully that gives you a bit more understanding with the contraflow. As a bonus, that's with flow, bus and cycle lanes. So the bus and cycles on the left-hand side now going up, and on the blank space opposite the white line, you're going up. So that's with flow. So if it's got an arrow, it's contra, because it's normally going against. And if it's got no arrow, it's with flow. And just to give you a visual clue of a cycle contra lane, this one, again, one-way street, you'll be coming down on the right-hand side where the giveaway sign is, with the upside down triangle, the giveaway lines, and the cyclist will be entering where the car is on the left-hand side. So that's a contraflow cycle lane. Hopefully that gave you a better understanding of a contraflow system. If it did, like, comment below and subscribe. YouTube's going to show you a video here. I'm going to show you a video here. Go off and watch which video is relevant to you, and I shall catch you in the next video.